say on my way ebe ye anaso say enye ye esu ba kwa nkrofo penisu pa e ya aban enye ji se bibi ensi aban ji sa asem bi amba aban na anopa we ye bisa se wo so a wo ye oman ba a wo so wo ye oman ba pa no wo so wasade e ene sen e de mpa na wo ye e de abo oman we ho ban e de na wo ye wo fie wedwumem edwom ho na wo ton ade no o store nanim gata na da ho na 1 year ni obi anti muda na de na wankasa nso wo ye ana wo twen say aban meye ma wo twen aban ana so say sen anopa we nsem misa we na ye bisa nti wo baby a wo hwe mfi bia na we bisa ho no wankasa wo de answer no wo de ama ho aban betimi aye bi but say ni obeye ni nyina achi na say ye oman ma no ye nye ye dia eye cost 90 yen saka National Commission for Civic Education Penyipa oda ano ewo Cape Coast Metro yen saka no ofia ha aye ne no eba betwetwe nkomo ene asamba ko a eho hia ye pa sanitation once insuo na esifom no eyi security bebre epie nti bola na wo de share gatam na office obi enhu no insuo toye no ene eyi pie nyame adom se de beto store nanim ana ma flood eba ye ko choki gata bi ama flood eba ye nti no ho achewa wuguso a wo ya aban anope ye wo se menu mieni na ye sesa yesuban ora Joseph ABBAN ono eneda eye Cape Coast Metro NCCE ano Mr. ABBAN ye share ya chew
Adam mi hu wa TikTok TikTok dia ansa mi nu ni aye di agro was for papa
ye di agro ho was ye gospel na ye dey send call TikTok so now
but the one thing I like about you in the about TikTok you create awareness into your ma in TikTok in the ani is yan di wo
me sa wa ma me fan say yan me ni age
o TikTok in the ani is oh yes but me feel say the patriotic songs na na ye to no but me na me feel say ka ye to ani wi ani asore na ye ko because I will share the West and a woman na a conk and we have papa ye. But in the end, you need to be accounted to be films and you
last week, and I did a World Environment Day. Na Osha schools, institutions, and they are there. Nipa we na effort to almost say, Omo environment no and home buying. You may be about a course so, and the baby I can't be a befabia and uncle for dear. World Environment Day. Environment wasem and I can. And open na menu idin komo ewo behind the scenes. Now what share me say asem kofo we enye say environment na se papa. Ne koma na ayedi no anka biebie so na esiefo nso NTB.
Edi kan no minchia opa na minchia management.
Bi ajo so.
Na especially uma minchia ma menu ya hie ya chopa papa. Ai. Ni soro na waboku soro na maboku. Na fact mo edwume na mudi no ye bo ba so papa ye. Community connect. Sir. By a community connect without the community. Since American is yen kasa the community na dini here yen kasa we mba.
Yembao.
And I pay me suya de papa if you man interview organize with the fire service. And I pay me chinchi for na gas in side. Na quickly inchi for na mbin kra na gas in side me ko tobi. Me buy na me dey adini see so. But the interview said that we share addition issue and say can buy me gas in issue. So if something happened, we want the impact. Because yeah, cocoa say we say over cry so this issue no na dey settled. You want me go to edit to esike mu call buy a content ama ade na nkasa expansion bi aba. Sir. And never be take place in the issue no. Inti as a community connect no say we are doing the community without the community. Inti kana me hwe nka aye bia no we should see the assembly woman. We should see the unit committee members and some opinion leaders. I think the community number crapa, some of the opinion leaders in crapa between me ESSIEN bibium ababechere. Okay. Intino ye bomba baso na nka de ehwe ne senka nka ye kono na assembly no so eboa. So that's because idea this year assembly no na ebenya am. Sir. Think that assembly so be hwe mboa nka ye de so ye Coastal TV. I say be a financial income, but I think that do now should participate. Sir. Be feel between some of these disasters and the ASIEN, mo bua no nka assembly nso betumi esua bibi papa efi ba me nua o ka bibi about the environment ye di nkomo bebre na ayese Ghana no anase ye bra bona say you sit at your own comfort zone ana ununu ho into no tronoma na tronoma na wape obibi edi ewie na ununu ho ayese ununu ho ana wa wo sesre into wa ununu ho na wo sesre into most of the time no yes oh where the environment day you me participate in this where the environment day you know na be 15 years in here na ba ne sta na ye duandua into ye mi say sa ndua na ye dua na wo hemfa Oshe chapter 6 of the 1992 Constitution, Article 41, 41.
Okay.
Article 41, K, to protect the environment, to safeguard and protect the environment. Inti ana de biano, ya ni eduano, the protection in honum, safeguarding ye fi honum 41 K, the protection and the safeguarding ye fi honum. Inti ana si eduano, ye mi say eduana ye dua 10 years, 20 years, sanduano wa yimfa. So you protect the environment. The environment has to do with in your manner was assassin. It's your mood was a same but a dine upon a yes, assassin, you protected dino. This is a year ba. Your party billions ye petty and dino. That's summary. Baby a year programming. I'm saying last year, and I'm saying that so this year, so to talk to and also, I don't do one here. Said, Diane said, then I week. That one shadow a doing here, Baba. And fire home. But I said, me see, we are now ye press conferences, I can say. They are state authorities near court, near back, near about what you I've seen it said, Jay, as the key stakeholders, as state institutions, you fail it totally. You fail it totally. Adiani ba na ye meetings akese adiani ba na ye supervisions akese nti niamba ye environment the things within the environment no ese nka ye wo na nduane nkote na de bia na hunya ye na nduane nkasa na ye duane nkasa no bimbi sanse ye mudodo ahen na ye gu sunsuo ye mudodo ahen na ye pruni ndua no ye mudodo ahen na ye situ is nduane ye dua no nduane atumi afifi the purpose for which ye dua no ye ntumi na ye nti say ye ka environmental particular me abana mitia na me di ye ho ya kakra sana ye ka no ye duandua no yetumi ehwe ndua no so ana the environment na say ye no environment is not only the trees and your environment ndua no even the dino crop na esi asase no crop so no ana ye just ade no esi ho no
saba ne da ase na asamba akonso so e koso Nancy any insuo no ababeye coincidence kakra ne say on say ye wo gates e wo ye mpotem na ne yete ne say ebi mo ayo madwen say ode baller beko baller so ame ye je 1 cedi de lai obehwiegu gata ne insuo no e ko no emfa gata no ko but ye mo bibi ennim say gata no say anchoki wo manim he beko akochoki wo baby a eno minhu Inti yetimi was a flooding bebre and AC. According to statistics, no, the amount of the number of flooding na air cost this year nkwano more than near cost over the years. But every year beyond so anka flooding see. Na so come here this year no more than near yehu ni nyina.
Benua sa this year flooding never near expose state institutions and young citizens, you know. The reason being that this is the first time Sadiwis.
Oh yeah.
Na debiane esia na uhu conferences, uhu meetings, uhu kasa kese. Press releases. O kan bibi me hwe aban ete se bad time. Aban ete se bad time a anaye maame a wawa enupa enum ni nufu.
Yeah.
Sana aban akwakwa yewe. That's why we have government. Maame ntwemfoni bi kakra me fanchiro. Okoyen kwayemu forest. When say abwe bia to me nanti anyhow bia. So bia nche no. Enti ya wo bibi ti say jata etubi chi abwe bia no wawe no.
Yeah.
Osono to me tieti abwe bi so na wade na wawe no base no. Osono to me tutum endue bia wo kwaye no mu na wase no. What is say obi a chisa mbwe bi da. Obi atumi nche no. Reason me that the way of the structures e wo no enti say yen dia ye wo ha no enti nipa de ye dwen say mboa. That is why we have leaders.
Yeah.
Into you to me penny for say most something for more share and so then yet the right thing. First but Ellen said, yes, separate and from one into. That is why we vote leaders. We bring leaders. To me, a penny say something for a moon member share and so not the right thing. I say, you know, yes, the best, yes, and what. Isn't it what some man? Your unit committee, your mayor, your regional minister, your ministers, your bank and sell and cast honor. And if so, obi air to ra edi Google them, it is the responsibility of the mayor that some man the unit committee to say, I did any pay ye as a trainer.
Okay.
Yeah, make us say you fail as an institution. So Friday near I see a bad idea. I am the press ANC will be a base see or Mampina Puano. Ah, you won't mayor, you want ministers, one year one crowd Masadi AC. Now that open it, was it? Ya thrown ma, ya high, I didn't if you baby about a baby baby on me. Yeah, planning officers. Yeah, impending for him and your mom. You would do one hin, yes, she said, Gattes, ye Gattis. And your share, your chair, ideally see and son. I was saying, I did yet to ride the gumo. Eh, wait, or could see down Edisi, baby, any senke to ever. But meanwhile, my main cabbage, a young father who paid the seed. David. And then you see also a dan was almost seen and I drink Tadichin, wow, your plan officer, where also be a Diana. Oh, no, we'll see, I did an Joe and a year whom, and into the supervision now, you know. As I remember, no, you committee members, so almost be a sit down and see Suquemana. And if so. Got an end up and got an choking you. In Cacranti, your mother do I and the Bia Coran was a gatti, I saw a Bia in Rababigum into Osha chapter 6, article 41. A share on mine, not said yes, oh, yeah. Government, I said yes, oh, yeah. On mine, I said yes, and the citizens who yesterday, I say, yeah. Duties of it. See, and Yanni Papa, when they make us say, you see a boo on mine, you see a show mine, and Danny Park group at Nabium. Okay. Yeah, the government and the citizens. Until you so Friday now, but Yanni Papa, it is the state and the citizens. Yana Yaya Shahai, and never be a yedri.
Na Niatiani say no, you who say government and a citizen. Necessarily, ye collectively, near na your environment no by no. Yen share the citizen and Mankasankasa omu role. Because I don't want to believe say there be a flood in Beba, there be a issue be based in Akase, ABBAN or Meye. ABBAN has the first role. But what about the citizens? Almost so what is their responsibility towards the environment? Now if say a bon home.
You see, yeah, into me and can't near you citizens fame.
Of course not.
And say I say why they are you now why there why. So if we sit down on concern, that is why we have accountants. Always we should hold our leaders accountable.
Okay.
Always we should hold our leaders accountable. Because yen to me assembly honum. Yen to me parliament honum. And yen so yen to me quarter abem honum. Inter ya pumping for so omon konkonye sanitino our citizens in may be a coswa. You hold your leaders accountable. Of course, we have a role to play as citizens. Interno, and always, let also not forget, say, Obi and able to me, Amma, yet to me, Abba, come together. Yeah. That is why we have made the piano, Anna, as members and unit committee, and may bomb Musumbo. You see, the concept behind this decentralization, the concept behind, say, local governance rests. Members and the unit committee. Into Yaniano, the piano said, Yetian, Miss Abibia Cosona went to one and will be initiated that process at Yanko. Into your politicizing any BPA, your politicization. Oh, NDC, MPP, CPP, SYZ party. Into one upon the LED initiative. Into the piano as a Yatrasia, who so, Sadia, as a way I am yet, and no number baby. Into say what the year no one why there. The piano may and share a buy into be one number and son and yet to me to Sadia now no more. Men to say yet nothing as some member Abaka and Sunny. Of course we can also initiate something. Of oh yeah no obviously than air yeah. Make I say be master say oh share if you had no more call a friend saying Kotokraba market. Now share gatters in your man nam gatter no. Enyama ebimu ebie efa gatem owi abeho o hwe waster amanfo ebie efa gata no mu a ya asefem Nti better na se corona ni siria ana se esi no ansa na impenifu aba na korabo toileto sabi we but we can do something about it.
Yeah.
Nti amanfo abone omo waste omo say tank ne niama we waste go no omo abone nti nsuo ni to a no woni ebie even certain nsuo ni kwento wona wo de ye wi a ye nkọ wo say gutters no niama e fa gutter no. We have a role to play as citizens.
Yeah.
As a trying to ABBAN start, but we can do something. We can call on our leaders. We can also initiate something to say. At the end of the course, for your man, what and yet at the end of the day, we want the citizens to play a key role. You better bomb modern ayana. You create a vibrant society for us to live in, for us to our children to live in. Send a beya basa yene yare wane inyama enyen. We feel say between our brain and sekakra. So we have a role to play as citizens.
Oh yeah, we have. Especially with the ABBAN initiative, National Sanitation Day now. And no come for Frank.
No, but the way I see idea, no, partly me who are and I make and I say, yeah, no, you want to
yes, sorry.
Sanitation, we should wait now is to safeguard and protect. My and trainer, that very day, no, year party this way, no. This is the time, I expose in. I think you create awareness. Because we have a piano moye, a piano NCCE warn me, a piano war other agencies, almost see to it say in the environment very good.
Yeah.
It's a do very day and say we are near Sanso Aquacoda. Yan yes Sanso and ye flow up. And I make in Diana ye for 10-15 years ago, no Diana were him. Sandre also could be a Sanso Bundiano. It is Sanso. Yes, Sanso to train you. Because these are some of the things I'm said. The follow up and the awareness creation, the air one idea, but the timing that has been the problem. See, here we are, the follow up. Say sanitation, I can sanitation, some a young young but your gutters and a choking young say, got young capacity gutters in the moon. Now, you put two measures here. Yes, say young friend right and friend go gutters in the moon. And I say, yeah, best let me say, I cry, I'm going to take initiative. You said, so yes, see something, say something.
Say something.
Say obedient rare go got him no huna o chini pano and I say oh my chini pana. I'm going to give you 20 Ghana cedis, so 200 Ghana cedis. Okay. Yes, that's a 200 Ghana cedis. And so no, say yeah, that awareness is there, all right. Police, you created a system here. So who are there now? Be report to her. What are be reports at the Bell Road? If you say it's a very good initiative, you take one. And say yeah, chini person is another thing. So that's a schools outreach. Inti omoka say omo person omo call schools, basic schools are only senior high schools. Now omo nkwala no enche because there are say charity and your problem is a sanitation problem here for a very long time. Yenya solution be a informal problem. I believe say bet me I started every more problem ana because me who say NCCE mo ya there was a there no mo da so ya na say mako break akra. Yeah. The idea is that you be grooming kolano.
Yeah.
One, they'll go with it.
Yeah.
And they also serve as a check to us. A check to us.
Yeah.
Until say a kolano say ne mame esumano so ma anani okay kwame say nsuo to. Bola lankasa na ebi ni ha no. Nti fa nsuo no fa nwura no kogu nsuo ma akolano will stand and say to ma so ma bidi nwura no ekogu gota no me ba kochoko baby.
Yeah.
Na nsuo to ababa ha adwe. Nti akolano we nya sai. So no masan so educate the mommy and I said the sister and I said the brother here. So that's what we've been doing. But the challenge in say sanitation no enkonko yes ye that will be a honum na yaye. I say continuously. Inka every month be na your participation and you're very great. And yes any part 1 2 be but I think you say my friend say be na say remember the body rule. Enkonko say you can't borrow take these things into consideration. If you are done, Kasanka says, yes, I send so no class. You would do a send a eco inspection. Oko assembly, You were estate officers for honum. Oko assembly, you were state engineers for honum. Oko assembly, you won coffee baby honum, and technical class beyond momoshe. You want to do all this and make an exercise at 9 a week. Into say you. Young chairman is young tona, the Nimbuan Sana, press conferences. Be moment in Sana Okano, she say you be educating Kualano. Most school. No more so bomb na the environment the sanitation aspect in Kolano or biscuit on fa biscuit in front to one. No say odi toffee on fa wrapper no front to one. And I say odi watch here on fa watch have my front to one. But all the best baby na wa crowd baby. Say be ya sin so ta en konko ha dwen say ye hu akra any Kumasi. That's me sure I say oh yeah KN university and so on say so to my say students no crap into me. Look at it, sometimes I am a boy university university you see that clean environment. But those students now so na hard no more about the environment in Ababe. So I think that my problem has to do with social auditing. Accountability. Say you hold your penny for accountable. A ban yes sanitation. So when you say assembly and NCCE. Even if you don't have the tools, we should be on them. But I don't know, they want to state actors. You need tools. You hear environment be cleansing. Then I'm paying for more years and a baby to me because a ban is look at the number of amount. You just said, yeah, you cover machines, you talk petrol, you talk fuel, the good machines. We can protect the environment and sanasa oyeni ababis.
Sanity. Now, I'm not paying for my year dinner. In one hamper, say, ye can't abaya semino, not ye can't on mount for no so asem, or mount for no so asem. Ye bar and no pass ye barbe set it up. Na ye did you mal has no. Not the way I has here, not a here say, or be a baye. Man chains are by me, mammy. Me and Casa me, ye organization, ye did prior ni adhere to form no. And a higher cleaner here. It means that citizens no. You bet me a year dear. A brown boy and train a buying. Na say ya me a dom na buying a drink say or take initiative or fre a month for Mumbrana. Ye na ye may sanitation ye may clean up her. Now don't want you. Why when ye a buying so fra uncle. Na ye quay nim and answer ye quay she. Inter nano pay no commander ye didn't say ye na ye was sudi. I was here shena your environment no and who buying NCCE Coastal TV ye can be brave but say wo one ya nature say yakasegu
intina na o share junior sister where 1 year one no be ye
yes
it was o share nsu ye fa go for ya say ABBAN to the BB office
oti Jubilee House was no what abronsan so
me share ba ko bia me say nipa no wafura kwa ko jet dinosaur or twen sen kan so no be na why there ba ABBAN in office you said that camera we adwen say ye mu bi amfa ye ho anhyem ye bi amfa ye ho and it's the very fridge kakra what on the TV kakra atwa the mattress in me near say bibia say na o so see with that ben biom and o share nkom na say o sound so me e ko gi loan crap edwuma kra the source koto ni ne me near that ben biom the trauma that the pain anyway but me sani pay so say asan member abude rubo say embe clean environment sanitation onko sani pay so baby I say e I say okokra the board be anyway be o wa damp we anyhow sani pay crab to me see the got them kakra men so to enya free flow or say media me here until I also agree with you say yen kasa your role as citizen is very key
very key. Mr. Joseph ABBAN ono enada NCCE e Cape Coast Metro office no ono enada no as director anope ye ne na di nkomo bebre obanyansafo de ebu ni be ne enka nasem na se adue nso ebejew no enye one bottle no na ebejew atrema na ebejew nti kakra ya kan ye e wo se ye enough se wo a wo tie chie no so betimi asesa usuban e wo niema bi a ye ntimemufo no ye no ho na mpanyimfo no so ye toto sere se momma mo ho so kakra momma mo ho nye hye wate ase panyin na oye hye no leader oye hye no automatically omanfo ni bedi wachi oma ho ye hye a eno so ebeboa Coastal TV Community Connect and Oguso a wo hwe ye channel no e digital 514 ye live ewo Facebook and YouTube. Ma comment number na yebeyi ano di amount. Yebe kenkan e di amount. Follow na subscribe, share the link. Share link no omanfo so ehu ne ekoso. Yeba London Bridge nkwa de as usual ase na ye no. Yebe bi ebedu bia no. Yebe kan abakwasem kakra mo wate. An amamre ne amane so ehu hia. Ye sanitation na ye tu ye honfo ne ye boy ho ba free eja ho no. Na ye keep your culture as Ghanaians. As infantil as London Bridge what you say into no bomadi ase oni ye betina na onyi we fidie no emfiri ase na ye de no ebe brew enche ye ntwa ye ho na ye nje abofon grass Mr. Abban wo be chi obi ansa na ye
me chia wankasa
o chia me ankasa okay
na me chia mama nka me fiakra parona na me si me back up coast na ade na me return say one ma be hwe castle
okay
na ma hwe land bo se ma chila uti London Bridge I say anti me ba na me twamfoni me say no say London Bridge no ani but it could be kosem
yeah
not the structure but who be kosem no and anti I'm happy obi be ban London Bridge ho aba kosem am bi say ye but ne hu ya say be protect e nche ba be ye afahye fit to afahye na ye anapan ye ba na ye run commentary no edu side time na say bibi mu eja nwanan wo ho no ebi side time na manfo ye ne me bia say bi ensene mfata awo be baba sa me mete wakra me fi say we bia me hu no sa na obi so baba aba hwenti ye we no historically ye boy yen japade ho ban no yen hwe na London Bridge fe London Bridge yen bo ho ban say na be ya so obi afi bebi e ba be hwe a on yes say na me ko kan say London Bridge no ani be mom no even say London Bridge bia kuta abakosem a e betumi atwamfoni e de a che wiase me nua me da se
me so me da se Mr. Joseph Abban ye ntwa ye ho ye be ba sisi a